In this quick video, I am going to show you how to get Google review QR code. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, we need to open the business profile manager. For that, click here and then tap on business profile manager. Once we open this website, then we need to tap on read reviews and then it will open this new window. Here we need to tap on read more reviews. Once we tap on it, then it will open another pop-up. Here we need to tap on this copy icon to copy the link, and once we copy the link, then we need to head over to the new tab and search your QR code monkey. Once we search it on our browser, open the first website and now enter the URL here. So we just need to paste here and then tap on create QR code and it will start creating QR code, and there you go, it has created the QR code. We need to tap on download PNG and then it will take some time to download your PNG. Just wait for a moment and there you go, you can see the QR code has been downloaded on my computer. You can see here and you can send it to your client to get reviews. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.